before you go. I want each and every one of you to know that I appreciate this time that we spend together. Thank you for being here. So sad that our time is done for tonight, and I really hate saying goodbye. So let's just say a fun good night, or even a sad little toodaloo. Perhaps even until next time. Maybe a ta-ta for now.
We'll be here on
Butler Family Farm 2005.
because Suji needs love too.
Jerry and Susan are the greatest love story. They live happily ever after on their 116-acre paradise where they homestead in the heartland of Missouri. They are the heart and soul of Butler Family Farm. They began their journey together
In 2005,
when they packed up their lives
I moved across the country
to create this beautiful chapter, showcasing the video memoirs of their golden years. There's an abundance of life across the acre.
goats,
Cows, chickens, dogs, and cats.
and of course,
They have donkeys, llamas, and horses. And let's not forget the tiny little creatures with spicy anger issues.
they are armed with
Little stinging needles
that hurts like a digging.
with absolutely zero warning.
Hey,
Watch out for those swarms. When they're not flying around,
being middle back in yellow striped shirt.
there's something glorious buzzing from.
From one flower to another,
The world relies on the bees. Without all the tireless pollinating, we wouldn't have food to eat.
and we are rewarded with that honey.
And that flows like liquid gold. They've created a bountiful and sustainable life together across those 116 acres. It may be long and hard work,
But they are doing it.
Jerry and Susan together, hand in hand. Thank you for coming
Please take a moment
to like and subscribe.
to Butler Family Farm 2005.
Click that little bell icon. You'll not want to miss the Monday live streams and many videos to see all that beautiful farm life. From plants and fruit, beekeeping and animals, all that they seed and sow every day from dawn to dusk. Thanks for coming
And please remember,
as you are in your very own kitchen.
and cooking for your family.
Community and friends to always cook with love and eat with passion, unless it has Twizzlers in it.
Whoever suggested
That is going to help
as Chef CB says,
stir up some magic.
whiskey in a little mischief.
Hanky bake a little mystery with a spinning wheel of misfortune.
We really hate saying goodbye.
So let's just say upon good night, or even a sad little toodaloo.
Until next time,
Maybe even a title for now.
we'll be here on
Butler Family Farm 2005.
because Suji needs love too. Oh my, oh my.
Oh my, toodaloo.
Pennywise crystal metheny.
So, in other words, her future offspring is going to be coming with a disclaimer.
Yeah,
Pen-
no refunds.